And the doubles.
Doubles?
Doubles.
Okay.
Double bobsled.
Double bobsled.
Get on the front. I'll do the back. You gotta get all the way up front, though. No, we can both sit on one. You're gonna kneel up front. I know it doesn't look like it, but we'll fit. Yeah.
Looks like my face could get hurt.
No, your face is gonna be fine. Okay, you're in charge of that.
Okay. Okay. Sled cam.
Sled cam.
Sled cam. You behind me?
I'm behind you. You ready?
Ready? Okay.
Go. Oh.
I break my leg. Ow! Bad cam. Bad everything.
That was a remarkably bad idea.
Oh, my poor shins.
Okay.
Okay, you're not in charge of sledding.
Ow. Okay, we'll go. We'll do it again.
No.
Okay, up the hill.
One.